how to claim Robux and please donate. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can claim Robux. In order to claim your Robux, first of all you need to open up your web browser and then log in into your roblox.com. Just tap on the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your Roblox account, this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to claim your Robux, you'll need to go to the Roblox icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see three different options, that is buy Robux, my transaction, redeem Robux code. So you'll need to go and tap on my transaction and you'll be able to see all of your transaction history, and along with that you can claim your Robux from right on this page. So here what you can do is, in order to claim your please donate Robux, you'll be able to see pending transaction right over here. In my case I don't have that because I don't have any Robux. In your case you might be able to see pending transaction or just pending. So in order to claim it, you need to tap on the pending button. Sometimes it's just gonna take a while in order to load the Robux, so you can wait for at least 5 days or maximum, and sometimes it can also take a bit more longer than 5 days. So you'll need to wait patiently, and after that it's gonna be stored in your Robux balance. That is how you can claim Robux and please donate. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.